Hello children, good morning. Children, today in Hindi we'll be taking up lesson 8 कुकू और कुटकुट. ओके, मतलब क्या है? कुकू और कुटकुट का पाठ हम पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, सब लोग हिंदी टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 48 निकालिए. So here there are two animals. Okay, one is cock and one is fox. See, you can see in the picture. So of course by seeing this we can say that these both guys cannot be friends. Yes or no? By seeing the picture itself we can say that these two guys cannot be friends. Or sometimes maybe if they are friends they would have been sitting beside to each other. But by seeing this picture they are not at all friendly. Because fox is a cunning animal and it will never be friendly with some another animal who it likes to eat. So here the fox name was Kutkut and the cock name was Cuckoo. Okay children, so let's start. What had happened, what conversation, what kind of talk is going on between these two guys. कुकू एक मुर्गा था. कुकू was one cock. सुबह होते ही कुकू की आंखें खुल गई. वह अपने दरबे से बाहर आया. उसने अंगड़ाई ली और पंख फड़फड़ाकर अपना आलस दूर किया. फिर पास के पेड़ की डाल पर जा बैठा और कुकड़ू की आवाज लगाकर अपना गला साफ किया. ओके, सो तभी नीचे से कुटकुट लोमड़ी की आवाज आई. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट इज द सीन हियर? एज सून एज इट वाज मॉर्निंग, कुकू woke up and it opened its eyes and it came out of its coop. Darba means coop, the hen, where the hens and cocks are kept. That kind of shed is known as coop, and in Hindi it is darba. दरबे से बाहर आया. उसने अंगड़ाई ली. अंगड़ाई ली means stretching out the body. As soon as we wake up we stretch out our hands and legs, right, to take out the laziness, to take it out, to get rid of the laziness, as we have already woke up. So same thing here cuckoo also have done. फिर पास के पेड़ की डाल पर जाकर बैठा. सो पास का पेड़ मीन्स नियर बाय. पास मीन्स व्हाट? नियर बाय. पेड़ मीन्स ट्री. इट वेंट टू द ट्री, नियर बाय ट्री, एंड सैट एंड फ्लो अवे टू वन ब्रांच. पेड़ की डाल पर, वन ट्रीज वन ब्रांच, इट वेंट देयर एंड सैट. यू कैन सी. ओके, might be this is the cock's home, the coop, and it came out from here and there was a tree and it is sitting on the branch. पेड़ का डाल, पेड़ की डाल पर जाकर बैठा. तभी it started like making the sounds. You know what kind of sounds the cocks do? They'll do like, they'll call out like kukudu kuku. This is the sound. They'll say that it is morning. Everyone, you guys have to wake up. They'll wake up too, all the people and as well as the animals. So at that time what happened, there was one fox. Its name was Kutkut. It came there and it saw it. But suddenly he heard the sound of the Kutkut. Kutkut is saying now, अरे कुकू नमस्कार भाई, बड़े सवेरे उठ गए. He's telling कुकू, dear namaskaram or good morning, you woke up very early today. He's asking in very sweet tone. Now कुकू, हाँ मौसी, मैं तो जल्दी ही उठता हूँ. सबको समय पर जगाना जो पड़ता है. Now मौसी means aunt, our mom's sister. Or if there is a ritual children or there is a rule in the villages, they will call any lady who is the age of our mother, they'll call it like auntie. Even we do, right? So mausi means auntie. So here cock was telling mausi, calling the fox as auntie. Yes auntie, I have to wake up. I will wake up early only because I need to wake up everyone in the village. Now कुटकुट, आओ नीचे आओ, चलो सुबह की सैर कर आते हैं. Now it is telling, the kutkut is telling, please come down, we'll both will go for the walking. Cuckoo, नहीं मौसी, मैं यहीं ठीक हूँ. Now cuckoo is saying, no dear aunt, I am okay here, I am very much settled here, I am like completely and absolutely comfortable here. कुटकुट, अरे आओ तो मैं तुम्हें अपनी पीठ पर बैठाकर सैर कराऊंगी. It is again requesting the fox, please come down, I will make you sit on my back and we will like go on the walking, or I will take you for the round. Now cuckoo, कैसे आओ मौसी, तुम मुझे खा जाओगी. Now the cuckoo is telling, how should I come down if I suppose I am coming down, you are going to eat me. कुट कुट, मैं तुम्हें कैसे खा सकती हूँ, तुमने सुना नहीं, जंगल के राजा ने ढिंडोरा पिटवाया है कि अब कोई किसी को नहीं खाएगा. So now it is telling, to convincing again, when it was not listening, it is telling, no, why will I eat you? You don't know, don't you know that the king of the jungle have given what information and order to all the animals of the forest. Who is the king of the jungle, children? Of course, lion, right? So he had given the order to all the animals in the jungle that anyone should not kill other animal and they should eat by killing the other animal. So at that time what happened? तभी पास से कुत्ते के भौंकने की आवाज आई. At that time when the fox was telling this one to the cock, and suddenly she heard the sound of one dog. It was shouting. Then तभी भौंकने की आवाज आई, लोमड़ी के कान खड़े हो गए, मुर्गे ने कहा. At that time the what we call the fox was little frightened and it raised its ears. We see these kind of things, the dogs and fox, whenever they are hearing some another animal sound, they will be raising their ears to listen it carefully, right children? So at that time suddenly when she heard the sounds of the dog shouting over there, it raised and got alert that this dog is approaching to me. At that time suddenly again the cuckoo said, मैंने तो नहीं सुना, अरे यहाँ कौन इधर भागा आ रहा है, कालू भैया, अरे वाह कालू भैया इधर ही आ रहे हैं. Now cuckoo very intelligently it said, I did not hear that the lion king, the king of the jungle have given these orders, but I don't know, I did not heard from anyone. At that time when she also, the cuckoo also heard the sound of the dog, she said, oh my god, dear Kalu Bhaiya is, Kalu Bhaiya means the dog's name, it was in a black color. So it was telling that black dog, the Kalu Bhaiya is coming here only. I am so happy that the Kalu Bhaiya is approaching us. Now Kut was very much frightened. Kalu Bhaiya nahi, Kala Kutta kaho. He is telling to this cuckoo, he is not Kalu Bhaiya, he is Kala Kutta. That means he is not your Bhaiya, it is the dog. वहाँ इधर आ रहा है तो मैं चलती हूँ. If he is coming here and I'll be leaving, I'll be going to my home. Then cuckoo, अरे मौसी कहाँ जा रही हो, वह तुम्हें खा थोड़े जाएगा. Now cuckoo is telling, अरे dear aunt, why are you going? The dogs will eat you or what? Maybe even he heard that the lion king who have given the order in the jungle that we should not kill any other animals, so it will also not eat you. Why you are running away? Now Kut is replying to it, तुम्हारी तरह अगर उसने भी ढिंडोरा नहीं सुना हो तो मैं तो मारी जाऊंगी ना. Now it is telling, see, you did not heard what the lion king have given the orders. Maybe even your Kala Bhaiya or Kalu Bhaiya also did not heard. If he also did not heard, he is going to definitely is going to kill me and he is going to eat me. या कहकर कुट लोमड़ी दुम दबाकर भाग गई. Now by seeing, after telling this, it had ran away from there. Now cuckoo जोर से हंसते हुए उसे वापस बुलाता रहा. Now cuckoo was laughing loudly and it was calling, please come back, please come back. So here the cuckoo have taught a great lesson to fox. Interesting lesson, no children? So after this, every one of you all go through the lesson. Now homework part. Your homework part is page number 51. Page number 51, matching as well as this. Matras you need to take out. See here. First one, what he had given? We need to matra likho. In the textbook only you need to write, children. He gave some big heading. I am just making it simple. Matra likho. See here, murga he gave. Murga. For this he made, we should take out the matra from here. So which matra it is? U ki matra. Okay, first we need to write U, then matra. Okay, then after this, which matra is coming still? Here, Aki matra. A plus Aki matra. We should not write this word. Only matra we have to take out. We have to write the consonant, vowels as well as the symbol of the vowel. Okay. Next. Second. Alas. Second R you know anyhow. I will write Gala. Gala means neck. Ga doesn't have any letter. Here La as the symbol. So Akima. Now this is third one and this is fourth one. Next comes Lomri. So how we have to write? This is O ki matra. So first put O, then O ki matra, then comma, then here E ki matra we are writing. E ki matra. E ki matra. Understood? In the same way you need to complete all the words and you have to extract the matras here and write it down. Then after that, match the Hindi words with its English meaning. That means English words. Murga. Murga is cock. Lomdi is fox. See, you can understand if you go through the meanings, you can understand. Once I will read the meanings. Murga, cock. Subha, morning. Aankhe, eyes. Darba, coop. Angadai, twisting. Alas, laziness. Paid, tree. Dal, branch. Gala, throat or neck also. Saaf, clean. Savere, morning. Peat, back. Sair, walking. Jungle, forest. Raja, king. Lomdi, fox. Kutta, dog. Dhindora, announcement. Now let's turn the page. Here page number 52 we need to write. Here as I have already taught you all, this A and O, how we will write. How we will address someone. Okay, we wrote this one, right? So by seeing the pictures, see first one, in शब्दों से छोटे छोटे वाक्य बनो. Make short sentences using these words. क्या? यह क्या है? What is this? यह किताब है. This is book. Next, ये क्या है? What are these? ये गुब्बारे हैं. These are balloons. कौन? यह कौन है? We'll say who is this? यह डाकिया है. डाकिया means who? Postman. यह कौन? यह डाकिया है. Next, वे कौन है? Who are those? वे लड़कियां है. This we will be writing. So from here you copy down into textbook, children. I am mentioning the page number 52. The second one we will be writing second, third. यह कौन है? Question. यह डाकिया है. He is the postman. Next one. Next. वे, those. वे कौन है? Because we are using the कौन word. वे लड़कियां है. वे लड़कियां है. Okay? Now, next one is कहाँ. Where? Okay. See here. We need to write these two pictures of by using कहाँ. चिड़िया कहाँ बैठी है? Where is the bird sitting? कहाँ बैठी है? चिड़िया छत पर बैठी है. It is sitting on the roof. चिड़िया पर बैठी है. ओके, छत पर मीन्स व्हाट? रूफ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, चिड़िया कहाँ बैठी है? चिड़िया छत पर बैठी है. नेक्स्ट कम्स दिस वन, फिश. For this also we have to use मछली. कहाँ? This is first one. This is second one. मछली कहाँ रहती है? Where does the fish live? Fishes always live in water. रहती है. ओके, वाटर को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हम पानी भी बोल सकते हैं, बट वी विल राइट जल. मछली जल में रहती है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, मछली कहाँ रहती है? मछली जल में रहती है. Then after this, after completion of this, we will be writing this one opposites while we are writing the notes. Okay. Next, page number 53. Turn page number 53, every one of you. These are different kinds of breeds of cock. Okay, roosters. Cock is also known as roosters. मैं असील नस्ल का मुर्गा हूँ. असील नस्ल means one of the असील breed. मैं कड़कनाथ नस्ल का मुर्गा हूँ. कड़कनाथ, वो looks in the black color. Next, मैं नगन गर्दन वाला मुर्गा हूँ. It has the like neck, very different neck. नगन like a snake only it has. मैं फ्रिजल मुर्गा हूँ. I live in, see, फ्रिजल is a northern countries roaster. Next, मैं चिट्टागोंग नस्ल का मुर्गा हूँ. मैं बुसरा नस्ल का मुर्गा हूँ. So different cocks, no children. This information only informative, this one. Next come भारत के प्रसिद्ध मेले. Different types of मेला. मेला means fairs or type of jataras which will occur in the India. Okay, page number 54, 55. फेमस फेयर्स ऑफ इंडिया. भारत में तरह तरह के मेले लगते हैं. भारत के कुछ प्रसिद्ध मेले इस प्रकार है. There are some different kinds of fairs in India and these are the names. Kumbh Mela. First one is Kumbh Mela, where all the devotees of Lord Shankara go and take the bath in the holy waters. Sonpur Mela, this will take place in Bihar. Next, Pushkar Mela, Rajasthan. This fair is very famous in Rajasthan, and this one is Ambubasai Fair, Assam. Okay, next this one Ganga Sagar Mela. It takes place in West Bengal. Gangor Fair, Rajasthan. This also takes place in Rajasthan. Now Suraj Kund Mela, Suraj Kund Fair, Haryana. Now Puri Rath Yatra, this is in Odisha. Next, Hemis Gompa Fair or Hemis Gompa Mela. This one is celebrated and takes place in Ladakh. Ladakh is in, you know where is Ladakh? Jammu and Kashmir. It's a border of. Next one, Chandrabhaga Mela, Odisha. Chandrabhaga Fair, Odisha. Okay children, so different festivals which takes place. So we have completed our 8th unit completely. Then in the next video we shall be writing the notes. Okay children, go through the lesson and try to understand it by picking up the meanings which are written in English. Okay, bye bye.